Door rings, A-B pillars, central tunnels, and other automotive sheet metal parts tend to develop thick oxide scales after hot forming. Sheet metal factories also need to prevent rust throughout processing, storage, and transport to OEMs, ensuring the stability of subsequent e-coating. Shanghai PEENTECH has developed a hot-forming shot blasting and oil spraying line. High-efficiency shot blasting removes oxide scales completely, while precise oil spraying creates an ultra-thin protective film, achieving long-term rust prevention with minimal oil usage, and reducing contamination of the e-coating line, improving both quality and efficiency across the automotive manufacturing chain. After extensive R&D and testing, Shanghai PEENTECH has broken industry conventions, achieving the production efficiency of a 16-shot blasting system with only 12 blast wheels, delivering a stable output of 6 meters per minute, with both efficiency and cost advantages. The equipment features a heating function for the oil spraying mechanism, and is equipped with tooling, cleaning, drying, and oil mist spray denitrification tower, and an activated carbon adsorption box. Oily exhaust gases are pre-treated in the denitrification tower, then enter the activated carbon adsorption box for deep purification, and are finally discharged through a fan and chimney in compliance with emission standards, delivering an environmental upgrade and superior quality. For chassis parts that don't require oil spraying, Shanghai PEENTECH offers an optional small catenary system. Tooling is suspended on the inner catenary, moving in a cycle that bypasses the oil spraying line, preventing oil contamination from the source. Technology-driven, customized solutions for automotive manufacturing. Your quality assurance choice for hot forming, shot blasting, and oil spraying lines.